Hey, how are you guys? It's your boy Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, I would like you to kill, murder, and smash that little subscribe button, and also ring that bell notification, because when I'm about to drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna get notified. Okay. Alright, so the purpose of this video, guys, is another package, another box was dropped today, and we're gonna do an unboxing video and a review as well. Okay, so I'm curious to see what's inside the package, and yeah, let's do it, and we shall see. Alright, here's a box, guys. I've already cut it, and let's do that unboxing. Alright, you can see what is that. Mini HDMI to HDMI cable. It's the Vivitar. Okay, Vivitar HDMI cable, 14,000p, ultra high definition. Alright, this here, what do we have? We have 4 pieces macro filter kit. Okay, 58 millimeters. Okay, then we've got this Canon. So this is a battery. Okay, the battery is right here. Alright, only one battery. Alright, I've already charged the battery as well. It is fully charged. So to slide it in, you can see right there. So you just align this gold sign here and just click it. Okay, and you're gonna use this. What is it? Here, right there. You can see you're gonna use this, and you're gonna hook this in like that, and this thing goes to the power plug. Okay. We've got a tripod as well. Alright, so this comes in handy. With this tripod, okay, we can attach the camera, as well if you have webcams as well, you can attach that. Okay, it comes in handy. And this one, this is a dust filter. Okay, so you say your camera has dust, okay, over the years or maybe over the month, the camera gets dusty. Right, so this is, you can see the little hole here. I don't know if you're seeing that, but you can see here, here's the name. Alright, dust blower. So basically you'll have to pump it like this, and it pushes air. Okay. We've got a nice bag. Okay, as you see there, what do we have? We've got a little short, I don't know what this is. We're gonna open this up later. It's a small handbag. Alright, medium. Oh, this is a pouch. Alright, so it's for medium lens pouch. Alright, good to know that. And we've got other cable. Okay, to this end. Alright, this can hook here if you have American plug or Europe plug. Alright, what do we have again? Here we have the, this is this you can attach the bag. Okay, to this bag you can attach this, and then you can cross it your neck or whatever, you can carry it on. Alright, so this as well will be handy. And now let's review the camera. Okay, this box here, and then there's nothing, so I'm gonna drop the box elsewhere. Alright, now as you can see, we've got Canon EOS, okay, EOS 2000D. Okay, that means T7, okay, the Canon Rebel T7, okay. We call it EOS 2000D or 1500D as well, okay, 2000D. It is the same T7 camera, Canon camera with 24 megapixels. Alright, so masters the art of photography. Here you've got some Canon Academy as well. What do we got here? We got booklet. Oh yeah, so this is a booklet. Okay, so this is a booklet where you can get started, and it's multi-language as well. Alright, and this right here is a camera. Alright guys, so this right here is a camera. Oh wow, look at that. See how cool this is. Alright, this camera is sealed, so you have to pop this. Alright, put that here, and what do we have here? Alright, more cables. There we've got other lens, or what is this? UV, sepia, and FLD lenses. This one is 52 millimeters. Okay, is 3-piece filter kit. Alright, these are filter kits. Then what do we have here? This thing looks like a pen. Okay, I don't know where to use this. I gotta read the booklet over there to know this. This looks like a pen or something. Next we have here, we do have the, okay, so yeah, the lens. Okay, so actually this was popped out. Alright, so this is very easy to install, so you just grab that here. Alright, so normally it looks like this. Okay, so this is the 18 to 55 millimeter. We have image stabilizer and macro. Alright, you can see all of that. 0.25 meters, 0.8 feet. Alright, what do we have next? This one, it looks like a ring. For the camera, for the lenses, we have like a clean cloth. Okay, a cloth to clean the camera. Okay, maybe to clean the LCD of the camera. Okay, if your LCD gets dusty or whatever, your hands, your thumbs, I don't know, when you're using, maybe you touch it with your hands and then it leaves a mark there, then you can clean it with this cloth, with this piece cloth. Now next we've got this. Alright, so this is the shutter release. Okay, it's a universal wireless shutter release. Alright, it's some sort of USB. Okay, good to know. And we have another one. Alright, another one. Looks like they're the same thing. Okay, and yeah, this thing, this little thing right here, this it is used on the battery. So basically it is used to cover this piece gold right here on the battery. Okay, on a Canon battery. Alright, set all of that there, and you can see nothing in the box. Okay, nothing left. Alright, you can see nothing left. Okay. Alright, so basically, guys, camera is off. Here you can switch this on, off. Alright, but first you see this right there. Here you have to remove this socket. So remove it and don't damage the inside lens. Okay, make sure you do not damage that. And well, say you'd want this to go there. Okay, I'll show you how it's done. So basically, for this one, it's just you roll it. Okay, just like that. Just roll it. Okay, and it comes out. All right. Here, you can see that. And now for this one, all you gotta do is to press, and it comes out. Okay. All right. Now to enter this. Alright, now to enter this in here. Alright, so you gotta enter it. You can see the red line up here. There's a red dot here. So when you align it like this, and then you'll have to turn it until you hear a click. You can see it must do like a click. And now, say you wanna eject it. There's this button right here. This, all you got is to press it. Press it and then just press and remove. And it's gonna remove. Okay, it's gonna remove. Okay. So now, to re-add it, just roll it. Okay, roll until you hear a click. You hear that tick? You hear that tick, guys? So that means the lens, okay, this lens has securely took his place. Alright, the next thing, okay, yeah. Next thing is the battery. Okay, so here, this side here, you can see this hole. Alright, so say you wanna mount the tripod in here, you can mount it. Alright, so this one right here, all you do is, as you can see in here, it says memory card and battery. Okay, push this lever down to open. Alright, so I've already inserted 32 gigabytes of memory card inside it. Okay, so that was not so hard. So all you gotta do, as you can see, it has been pulled up. Just pull it like that. And now we are take the battery. Okay, but make sure to remove this cover, and you can see the gold bars up there. So the battery, it goes. You can see the sign on the battery right here. This sign. So you gotta enter it like this, and just enter it, close it. Alright, so far so good. Alright, now what we need to do is we're gonna push this to turn on the camera. Okay, off, on. Alright, so it's turned on. Okay, it has turned on. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna remove creative mode. I set that to recording. Okay, so right now it is on recording mode, guys. Alright, so you can adjust things from the menu. Okay, if you press menu, here you have movie exposure. Alright, it is on auto. AF method flexi zone. You can set all of that. You can go to the size, okay, to the movie record size. Alright, And here you have four options, okay? 1920 by 1080p, 30 fps, 1920 by 1080p, 24 fps, okay, 720p, 60 fps, and this one, the last one, which is really bad. Okay, I do not recommend the 640 by 480 30 fps. I do not recommend that. I recommend using the first one, the second one, or the third one if you really want that 60 fps. But what I really recommend is this, to leave that at 1920 by 1080p, 24 frame rates. Okay, if this, alright, so it took a picture, and now I'm gonna show you the picture quality as well. So to enter the picture, all you gotta do is to press this, and it's gonna go to the picture. As you can see the detail, guys. That's good quality. Alright, ISO 200. Hey guys, how's it going? So it's your boy Yashvir. Well, this is the end of the unboxing and the review of the Canon Camera Kit, also known as the EOS 2000D, and also known as a Rebel T7. Alright, this camera, guys, is really affordable. Okay, it's a price tag on Amazon right now. It's really cheap, and you can buy it. Okay, if you're a beginner and if you are interested in DSLRs, cameras, DSLRs, photographies, then I would suggest that you take this, and you're gonna learn with this camera, and then move on to the next one, such as Nikon, etc. Okay, those are pro cameras, right? And then you can move on to mirrorless. Instead of DSLR, you can move to mirrorless camera. And also, guys, this camera is packed with 24 megapixels, and it takes great quality of pictures. I'm gonna show you samples, and it shoots great quality of videos as well. Okay, and right now, guys, this is how my voice, I am talking right now. I'm recording through the Canon camera, and this is my voice picking up to you, and you might hear. Okay, and it also has how do I say that, ambient. Okay, it also has an ambient mode, which is really appreciative, because the ambient mode, guys, it cuts those background noises, and it only picks up your voice. Alright, guys, so yeah, this was it, guys. This was a full tutorial about this Canon camera. If you appreciate this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Peace. Your boy Yashvir Gaming signing out. Peace. Bye bye.